Greetings everybody, this is Harmony speaking. I'm making this video for my Patreon members, and I'm going to be discussing a mission we went on today. If you've been listening to me for a while, you know that I've been kind of deactivated and sitting on standby, but I got called into action the other day, and this is the results of the mission, and I'm going to give you the summary. Basically, somebody was having a possession in their home. So I called up my team and we went and asked to protect the person's home and cleanse the house and cleanse up the portals and everything. But then a third team member decided to go out into the, find the source of the problem, and went out into the universe and started going out in this area here. And she ran into something. A whole bunch of these red things is what I'm showing. She ran into these red things. And there's, we have the Earth here. Here's the crust of the Earth. And then here's the atmosphere. And we got these little buggers in our atmosphere. And what I did today, and I asked each and every one of you today, that's why I call this title, I Have a Mission for You, is because you can simply envision here's the Earth, and we create this force field right here, right around the stratosphere. So right, not space, but around the stratosphere. Create this force field, lock in the atmosphere, and then we can also pull in true source God creator, so source, and then funnel in his energy as well into this place. And then from you on Earth, I don't know, here's you. You grab this energy and then throw it into the Earth. Oops, sorry, I dropped something there. And then, you shine like a pair of light, and then you emanate the energy everywhere. So as true source God creator energy comes in to you as a person, you emanate it and shoot it out everywhere. And let it explode, and let God, pure source God energy go everywhere in this place and encompass all this bad stuff, basically. And then what we do from here is we isolate it, and we send it down, I don't know, call it an angel, and raise this to, let's say it's at the 6th dimension, we raise it to the 8th, and it just begins to phase shift out, and poof, we pull it out of here. And so we begin to grab these things, and we just grab these things and pull them out. And we gradually, each and every one of us, there's going to be millions of us doing this, grabbing onto bad stuff and just throwing it out. Now up here is, let's just say our higher selves. So our higher selves are up here. Can you see that? I guess you can. Where's my, oh, yeah, I guess. That's better. So, and then we throw the energy out to the great beyond, and then our higher selves, they come and grab it and go poof, and then they throw it. We're gonna put it back, basically from here. So they push it out. And there's another universe here, and this is their home. See, this is where they came from. So then we're just going to throw them out of this universe, keep pushing them out, and out. Higher selves grab them, and then they're gonna throw them home, and we're just going to make them go home. That's all we're going to do. It's really that simple. So there's a plan. Just focus on all the, everything that is a frequency opposite of us, just focus on it phase shifting out, and poof, it's gone. And then release it to the higher realm, and the higher realms take care of it, and whoosh, there goes our problems. And we just simply, put them back, since they like red. They love the color red. We're just gonna put them back in their home, but we're gonna keep an eye on them. In case you're wondering, this is us. You know, so we'll keep an eye on them. You know, this is them. Ugh, that's them. So yeah, that's the plan. Simply just believe it. Know it's true. Understand this is the way it has to happen. At some point in time, the frequency opposite of us does not want to go along with us. We have negotiated with it for millenniums and millenniums, millions and billions of years. We have negotiated, as far as human wars are concerned, for billions and billions, if not trillions of years. We have negotiated with the species, but a billion is more accurate. 1 billion? Okay, that's better. So, it's time, folks. It is now the time to end the show and return them home. So, focus on pulling in true source God creator energy and emanating your light everywhere. And we're gonna get these guys out of here, basically. Till next time, everybody. God bless, peace, and be well.